Let's address the biggest fear every man has. Like, how does this system will stay on my head? You are thinking about wind, the gym, or accidentally if someone pull it off, what is going to happen? And it is totally fair. At Yalla Hair Salon, client only want two things: to look natural and feel secure. And honestly, security matters the most. So that's why in this video, in simple words, I'm going to breaking down every attachment method available in a hair fixing, so that you can decide the best method which will work for you without any confusion and without any myths. With keeping the Dubai weather and work environment, I'm going to explain you everything. So if you are new here, my name is Soro Lubana and you are watching Yalla Hair official YouTube channel. So without wasting any more time, let's start this video. First of all, let's talk about the three main attachment methods. First method is tape. Strong, skin friendly and easy to use. Perfect for beginners. Second is glue and bond. This is glue adhesive. It will give you a clean, invisible hairline. Best for maximum realism. And third one is clip-on. No glue, no shaving. You can remove it anytime. Good for flexibility. As you see, there is no best option. It is totally depend upon your lifestyle. Some people want perfection, some people want convenience, and some people want to look good. The right choice totally depends upon you. Now let's talk about the lifestyle reality check. On paper, these three sounds familiar, but in reality, they are totally different from each other. If you hit gym regularly, you sweat a lot, then glue is best option for you. Strong hold, no worries if you are just starting out. Tape is perfect, easy to maintain and no stress if you don't want to be committed. And clip-on works if you want something simple, just anytime wear it on, anytime wear it off. If you don't want a fixed solution, then clip option is just for you. And that's why I said every method depends upon your lifestyle. So make sure to keep your lifestyle in your mind before choosing the best option for you. Now let's talk about the UAE reality. In UAE, heat, sweat and humidity change everything. Your scalp type matters, your routine matters. That's why we customize the best method available for you. Because goal is simple. Your hair must feel natural even after spending a long hours outside. Whether you are in a meeting, traveling or outside, you should be feeling confident everywhere. And at the end of the day, your system must disappear from your life. You don't have to stress about it. You don't have to think about it. Its main purpose should be to make you feel confident in your life. And exactly that's the thing we provide at Yalla Hair Salon, where we have every kind of hair system available. Whether it's a premium quality, whether it's a affordable quality. So if you want to check a hair system and get a free consultation, you can today visit us at Yalla Hair Salon. We are always available for your help. If you want to book your consultation, you can check out the number which is given below. Until then, take care and I will be back with another interesting video.